flood warning in effect from Thursday evening to Tuesday, February 11th. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? White River at Georgetown. When? From Thursday evening to Tuesday, February 11th. Impacts at 21.0 feet, Hurricane Lake Wildlife Management Area and Raft Creek bottoms inundated. Roads in the bottoms are flooded. Additional details, at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday the stage was 19.5 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage Thursday evening to a crest of 21.3 feet Saturday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 21.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning now in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning. What flooding caused by rises along the Cache River is occurring? Where? A portion of East Arkansas, including the following county, Poinsett. When? Until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details, at 8:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, Emergency Management reported flooding in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pitts. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.